Thank you so much for investing in the real estate loophole. You really have a powerful resource at your fingers right now, but as we all know, it's only so much we can put into a book. And so I've created the Real Estate Loophole Workshop, where I will take you deeper into the topic of financing, common mistakes to avoid that could cost you thousands of dollars. And I've even added some bonuses for anyone who invests in the Real Estate Loophole Workshop. I hope you'll join me. And some of these bonuses are a one-on-one consultation where we can answer your personal questions one-on-one, and a certificate for $500 off of your closing costs. If you're tired of renting and you want to create a side hustle and throw off some big tax savings and really pretty much almost live for free because your payments will be covered in the real estate loophole, I hope you'll join me for this special one-of-a-kind workshop. I'll pull back the curtain, we'll go deep into all of the topics, and you'll have a workbook to take notes and refer back to. So please join me, and I'll see you on the inside.